Warning, this is a graphic hunting video. All game taken in this video is legally harvested under current laws. If you might be offended, please don't watch.
Hey guys, Exziver here, and I hope you're ready for another EdGun adventure, because today is a beautiful October morning, and you know what that means. That's right, gray squirrel season. Miss Matador's favorite meal. We got her loaded up with some JSB Kings, and we're going to see if we can't bag a few. So won't you stick around? We'll see what we can find. Today, folks, we're going to stick around the apples. It seems to be their main source of food this time of the year. The oaks have all fallen to the ground, and they pretty much cleaned them all up and tucked them away. I think apples is where it's at, so this is what we're going to focus on. I actually think there's two of them. This guy over here caught my eye. No problem, I'll take that for sure. Let's go get him. Across this little valley here. Should be right over in here. There he is. Nice one. Nice headshot on him. Perfect. Nice old gray. Hey, you deer hunters out there, check this out. Nice little drinking hole. Nice little run right up through here. You can tell it's fresh. See the mud on the leaves. Sweet little trail, a lot of action, right up and around there. Oh no, what do you guys think? Should I drag a tree stand in here somewhere? I just might have to do that. Folks, it looks promising in here. I got a few apple trees. I found myself a nice little nest. Right up there. So there's got to be a few in the area. Well guys, they're not making it easy today, that's for sure. I just jumped one over there. And he scooted across, went up that ridge up into that friggin' mess up there. I'll try, see if I can't get set up in there somewhere, see if I can find him. Sweet. Wasn't going to take that shot because I wasn't sure how it would come out on the camera. I had to sneak it in through. But I don't really care. I'm meat hunting anyways today. So if it comes out, good. If not, you won't see it. Big old boy. Ooh, nice headshot. Perfect. Nice one. Guys, had a great day hunting, and I was able to harvest a couple gray squirrels. Really excited about that. Miss Matador, she puts those kings exactly where you want them as long as you're doing your part. How do you beat that? So what I'm going to do now, head home, clean up those squirrels, throw them in the freezer. And until next time, Exziver out.